How to use credit repair services that actually work properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Credit repair services promise to boost your credit, but beginners often make mistakes that cost both money and time. Most people get this wrong, but knowing how to use these services properly can save you hundreds and improve your credit score safely. The first mistake is choosing a service without verifying legitimacy. Scammers are common in this space. Look for accredited, transparent companies with positive reviews and clear guarantees. Another error is expecting instant results. Credit repair takes time, typically several months, to remove inaccuracies and improve your score. Be cautious of any service promising overnight fixes. Many users fail to provide complete documentation. Disputes require accurate account information, statements, and proof of errors. Missing or incorrect documents can delay progress or nullify claims. A surprising mistake is ignoring DI options. Many errors, like reporting mistakes or outdated accounts, can be disputed directly with credit bureaus at no cost. A legitimate service should complement, not replace, your active involvement. Finally, some users overlook ongoing monitoring. Even after repairs, credit scores fluctuate. Regularly checking reports ensures new errors are caught quickly and your financial habits remain on track. To properly use credit repair services that actually work, choose reputable providers, set realistic expectations, provide accurate documentation, use DI dispute options, and monitor your credit regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you improve your credit safely and effectively.